So this video is just a quick one, and I'm going to call it How to Make Your Customers Love You. I focus a lot in my trainer membership on kind of customer service, creating that ultimate customer experience. Without any customers, you've got no work. So it's one thing being able to repair a dent to a high standard, but if you've got no dents to repair, you're going to be the poorest dent man out there. But one of the things I like to do, particularly like with this vehicle, for example, I'm repairing two panels. I'm repairing both rear doors for separate damage. I walked around with a customer, pointed out and agreed the damage that I'm going to repair, but also pointed out a couple of very minor dents on the rear wheel arches, which I've said I'll have a look at whilst I'm here, and still going to come back to them at price. Ultimately, I've done the two door repairs. They've come out kind of as I thought, and I'm pretty happy with those. Now, this little dent on the back wheel arch is additional. I've not yet quoted for it, but to be honest, it's going to take me minutes to repair. So what he doesn't know yet is I'm not going to charge him for that one. I've already told him a price, an estimated cost for getting both doors done, and I said if I have time I'll have a look at the other dents on the vehicle. But I'm just going to whip out this little dent, really nice, quick and easy, and then there's going to be no cost to him. It takes a few minutes extra out of my time. I've already got the job, he's already bought it to me, and I've already made my money on the repairs. But this is just a little something that I like to do, which just gives that kind of customer service. It's something they're not expecting, it's over-delivering that quality of service. Now, there's bound to be somebody that says, oh, you've done it for free, you should have charged, you could have made extra money. Yes, 100%, it's an extra dent. I could make some more money and charge him £20, £50, £100 more for doing the little dent. But I'm going to do it for free because I like doing that, and it just adds a little bit more to the service that I'm offering with my PDR repairs. So this is the little dent I'm talking about. I repaired one recently in a video I did called PDR versus Body Shop. Almost identical, small dent on a rear wheel arch panel. Now I'm going to hope to just put a couple of tabs on it, give it a few light pulls and take that out, maybe one or two goes of a tap down. But point being, it should be relatively quick and easy to do, and just a nice little add-on, extra touch for my customer. So just that first little pull, and already it's barely noticeable, taking me minutes. So that's taken about a minute and a half, maybe 2 minutes to take out that little dent on the rear wheel arch panel. I don't do it on every job. Sometimes I do the upsell and charge a little bit extra, but every now and again on a repair like this, like I say, I've just repaired two doors and kind of charged him for that. And then in terms of looking around the quarter panels, spotted there was just a couple of minor little dents. So I've taken this one out completely for free. When I give it back to my customer and he comes to collect it, walk around and look at the damage, I can say that dent on the rear wheel arch, I've taken it out, but don't worry about the cost, I'll include it in the price, that one's on me. By all means, you don't have to do that, it's just something I do now and again, and it just adds to that kind of that customer experience, that customer satisfaction, and should he get any kind of dent damage in the future, no doubt I'll be his first kind of thought, his first port of call as to who to go to for dent repair. So just a little tip, something that I do that really kind of helps my business, helps build those reviews up as well, and ultimately just builds that customer database to keep you busy. That's it from me. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.